6:45. You're gonna need some rain gear.
Yes, you
after
will.
Today.
Protective equipment from the precipitation, because we've got days of rain setting up, starting maybe as early as late tonight. And not just rain, thunderstorms, maybe even some severe storms tomorrow. So it's good if there's any kind of activity going on building related, like the Habitat House that LEX 18 is partnering up to build with Habitat for Humanity. It's good that you would be doing that today, because into tomorrow and then the rest of the week, all bets are off. Now, we don't have a 24/7 rain coming. There will be big breaks in the action, but the problem is there's going to be on again, off again action all the way through the end of the week and into the weekend. We're in the 50s now. We've got a dew point still in the upper 40s. The air is still pretty comfortable out there. That'll change over the next 24 hours as well. The Max tracks some clutter around, showers out west. The severe threat for today goes from Minneapolis down south to Kansas City. Now tomorrow, this is where things start for us. We have a slight risk for severe storms. This is the same one that was out yesterday, the day 3 risk, now the day 2 risk for tomorrow. And you can see that we are under this slight risk for severe storms, damaging wind gusts from a round of storms that'll dive in the morning, but then set the stage for development tomorrow. And on top of all that, we've got this slow-moving low. It's called a cutoff low. The upper-level winds, the jet stream up toward the U.S.-Canadian border, that's the storm track. That's what helps steer storm systems. And whenever you have a low that's displaced, cut off from it, the low doesn't want to go anywhere. So it's just going to ever so slowly. This is all the way out into Thursday and Friday, work its way in our direction, which means it'll remain the influence for rounds of showers and storms. It'll become more numerous as the low approaches. So yeah, things about to get much more active for us. Future track shows today pretty quiet, maybe an isolated shower late in the day. And then overnight, a round of showers and storms. This is a complex of storms that'll dive south, probably severe, but likely weakening by the time it gets to us. It'll wash out in the morning, but then set the stage for additional development later on in the day with plenty of instability to work with. Some of these storms could throw damaging wind gusts our way. This is by late tomorrow evening. And then we could see another round coming in. And yeah, and it's just going to keep coming at us on again, off again, into the end of the week and into the weekend. I think we'll back off the severe potential a little bit later in the weekend, but we will not back off the heavy rain possibility. We could see over a number of days spread out, but still anywhere between about 2 to 4 inches of rain here, with heavier amounts down south. And some of that, as we talked about, could be tropically related. This big batch of showers and storms down over the southern Gulf, the Bay of Campeche, will track northwest towards the northeast Mexico coastline. So whether or not it's named at landfall, the remnants of this, what's left, all that tropical moisture could recurve towards Houston, Louisiana, eventually the southeastern United States into the weekend. So some of that heavy rain potential in the southeast may be tropically related from the remnants of that system. Mostly to partly sunny, a last dry day to take advantage of as early as this evening, but definitely overnight into tomorrow morning. All of that dying round of showers and storms dropping south. Some potential redevelopment later on tomorrow evening, and then on again, off again, shower and storm chances with us throughout that 8-day storm tracker forecast. I wish I had better news, especially for kids that are fresh on summer vacation wanting to hit the pool. If you're going to do it today. It'll definitely be warmer than yesterday. And again, there'll be breaks in the action, but we've got a daily storm chance through the weekend into early next week.